Today I'm showcasing my two new projects which I've made during the holidays. I've decided to gain some knowledge and experience to work in the Unity, so that's why I've started to learn how to make 2D games, 2D video games. So this is one of my projects. It's 2D game, as I mentioned, which I've made using three scenes. I have game scene, I have game over scene, and the main menu. Nothing special about the design, but my main goal was to understand how to work in Unity, in this engine, how to create different scripts, how to do all the mechanics. I did this using C Sharp, and I learned a lot. So right now I will just showcase you my two projects that I made. They have similar logic in terms of development, and I found it pretty fun. So the first game which I will show you, it's this game under the water. It works on my laptop, and I also have an online version. Okay, I'll try to make it bigger. Okay, so I can move my player. I have my enemies, different enemies with the different paths, different speeds. I also have included some explosions, some effects, and audio musics, and also added some shakes as well. So I found it pretty fun, and I really enjoy doing it. My second game, which I've made with the similar techniques, it's a space shooter, and I made it following the tutorial. I have a moving background, I have an explosions, shakes as well, different kind of enemies, scoring system. It is kind of fun. Thanks for watching.